freshly cooked meal.
So you're going to go now as much as I do?
I am, and I'm going to have my diesel. The Express Ready, Set, Go. This unique cooker can give you a personal pizza in just 7 minutes. Side-by-side meals in under 10 minutes, as well as greatly personal pies. The secret to the Express's quick turnaround is its controlled cooking chamber. Food is cooked from the bottom up to the top in a closed environment, eliminating the need to heat up a large oven. Using the Express is so simple. Just turn it on, add your ingredients, turn the timer, and when you see the indicator light turn green, oh, there's no need to watch the clock. The Express lets you know when you're ready to eat crispy Hawaiian pizza in 5 minutes. Full-course meals like pork tenderloin with sweet potato in 8 minutes. And grilled paninis in just 5 minutes. When you order, you'll receive the Express Ready, Set, Go with built-in timer and controlled cooking chamber with its non-stick surface. You also
Mama's taking a video.
Mama's taking a video.
Let's see it.
Who's your friend?
Who's that?
Jude.
Jude.
I want to see it.
Well,
You
no,
gotta-
we
you got-
gotta record
afterwards.
something first.
Yeah, after we record, we'll.
Give Jude a hug. Say hi, Jude.
Hi, Jude.
Be careful, Jude. What's that? Oh, you're putting that in your mouth again?
No, not in your mouth, buddy. Good. No. No mouth. Julia, tell Jude no mouth.
No.
Say no.
I thought you were gonna go play your drums. Go play your drums. Go play your drums. And I'll record it.
Yay. Go.
Did you play with your spoon? Where's the spoon? Jude, are you playing drums?
No.
Oh, he found a ball. No. Oh, okay. He's gonna put it in his mouth. Watch. You shaking it? Shake it, shake it.
He's gonna put it.
No, he's not. Oh, no.
Not in your mouth, buddy.
What's he doing?
It's a panini maker, a perfect omelet maker, and it's even a dessert maker, which I can't wait to try.
And don't forget the new
Jude.
divider pan for cooking 2 meals at one time.
Jude, are you gonna go play drums? Go show Jude how to play drums with the spoon.
Start over.
Go show him how to play drums. Go, see ya. Mommy.
What? Can I see, Mom? Can I
Who's
see
this?
me right there?
70% savings in
Yeah.
cookbook gives you simple step-by-step